Hi there and welcome to Martinet Cuisine. On our channel we try and show you quick, easy East Indian, Goan and Anglo-Indian dishes that you can make at home. Today we're going to show you a green coconut chicken curry which is amazing. It's perfect if you're trying to woo any young ladies or if you have mother-in-law that's on your nerves and you need to impress. Today I'm going to show you this quick, simple green curry which will be amazing. The great thing about this green coconut chicken curry is that it all goes into one pot. Well, first it goes into a blender, then it all goes into the pot with the chicken, and it's super simple. So let's go over the ingredients here. Today we have some lemon and lime, we have some curry leaves, green chili, fresh garlic, fresh ginger, salt and pepper, turmeric powder, some oil when we're going to go ahead and fry it, tomatoes, coconut milk, and as well we have some coriander and mint here. So I'm just going to go ahead and start getting this all prepped so then we can start. Now I'm going to go start assembling my paste. What I'm going to do is throw everything into my blender here. I'm going to start with my curry leaves going in, some of my green chilies, my ginger, my garlic, some salt and pepper, turmeric powder, and my combination of mint and coriander leaves. Now what you want to do before you do this is wash it out, because as you can see in the bowl here, quite a lot of dirty water that you want to make sure that doesn't go into your dish. And then I'm going to throw in the coconut milk. Alright, so that's all in there with the tomatoes, which I almost forgot. Get these in. And squish it down if your blender's not big enough. You want to get this into a nice fine pulse. So I'm going to go ahead and start with this. Put it on. Okay, so now that we have our curry paste blended up together, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in the lemon and the lime in. So this is going to add a lot of freshness to the dish, which of course is part of the appeal of this dish, is that everything is so fresh. The ginger is fresh, the garlic, it all comes together and adds such a wonderful flavor. Alright, this last sucker here, put that in there, put that down, somebody else will clean it up, shut this off and give it another little quick blitz. Alright, so this is come together. It doesn't take long. Once it's all blended up, we're going to go ahead and start to fry everything together. Okay, so now I've got my pot nice and hot. What I'm going to go ahead and do is add in my oil and get my blender ready. You get the oil nice and warm. Once you're seeing, oh, there you go, you guys can hear it right away, it's starting to bubble. I'm going to add in my green chicken paste, the coconut paste, and I'm going to fry it all together. Stir it up, make sure everything mixes together, the oil mixes in with the chicken curry. Oh man, you can just smell that mint, the coriander just comes right off it right away. It's such a beautiful smell. And now I'm going to go ahead and add in my chicken. I'm just going to put this in, hopefully it doesn't splash. Alright, there we go. So the chicken is now in. I'm just going to stir it around to make sure all the pieces get coated. Oops, spill everywhere of course. There you go. And that's it. That is basically what we're going to do. Now I'm just going to wait for this chicken curry to come to a boil. And then I'm going to add some salt and pepper if I think I need it. And then we can go from there. Alright, so as we can see here, the curry has come to a boil, the oil is separated, and the chicken is cooked all the way through. What I'm going to do here is I'm just going to quickly plate this up, and then I'm going to show you how it looks all ready to go. And once again, this is an amazing green coconut chicken curry that you can serve to anyone, a girl you're trying to impress, or that mother-in-law that just won't quit. Okay, so I'm just going to plate this up here. Put a couple of pieces of chicken on there. One and second one just for flavor. Oh, there it goes. And then I'm just going to pour a little bit of curry. Alright, so there you have it. A green coconut chicken curry that you can serve to anyone. That is amazing. Just remember, if I can cook this, you can cook this.